Hello, my name is Mark, and today I'm going to talk about the best phone plan for myself. Now, let's first look at my phone bill average. As you can see, for my local call average, I don't really call for much for every month, about 35 minutes for each month, and for text, I text a lot locally. This is my data average. As you can see, I'm using a considerable amount of data, so I probably need a plan for it. Now, let's look at a few plans from a few companies. First, from Wind Mobile, I chose the $30 plan, which has unlimited data, unlimited calling, and unlimited texting, which I think I need. I need because I text a lot, I use the data a lot. And however, the U.S. text message costs 15 cents per text message, which is quite cheap and doesn't need receiving prices. Here's a formula for the $30 plan from Wind Mobile. As you can see, there's $70 basic fee and the 0.15 per text message fee to the US. And so since it doesn't have the receiving fee, so I'm not going to calculate that. And now let's look at the CUDA Mobile. Well, for CUDA Mobile, I chose the $45 plan, which is based since the data plan is running my expectation. 1 GB was about enough for my cell phone, but not too much. And it has unlimited local calling and messaging, which are the things I want. And the US texting costs 25 cents per text. And here's the formula for my the CUDA Mobile plan. $45 is the basic fee, and the next polynomial is the data overage, which I don't really need to pay in the future if I use it. And the polynomial after that signifies the local calling overage, which I don't really need to pay as well. And the last one signifies the last term signifies the US message fee. US messaging fee. And here, as you can see, now we go to Bell Mobility. As for Bell Mobility, I chose the $65 plan because the data, and because since the data is the data is plan is in my writing my expectation, and it has unlimited local calling and texting. Different from all the other networks that we've revised, is the Bell Mobility costs differently for costs both for receiving and sending them US messages. So I'm going to include that in my formula. And for the formula, as you can see, there's $65 a basic fee, and the next polynomial signifies the data overage, which I don't really need to pay, and next polynomial signifies cost for my US messaging. As you can, as here you might ask why I did 2y instead of y. It's because it costs both for sending and receiving, so I have to double the fee. And next we come to Rogers. As for Rogers, I chose the $70 plan because 1 GB of data plan is writing my expectation, and it provides unlimited local calling and unlimited local texting, which are the things I might need. Well, not for the local calling, but for the local messaging. Next, we go to the Rogers US texting. As you can see, different from like Bell Mobility, it costs both for sending the US message and receiving a US message. Well, and here's the formula for my Rogers plan. As you can see, $70 is a basic fee, and the following polynomial is the data overage fee. As you can see, data overage fee, which is the fee that I don't really need to pay, and but I do it anyways. And after that is my US texting fee. 0.35 is the sending, and 0.25 is the receiving fee. calculation of data. Here's the calculation for my data. After I put all the information in formula for the formulas for Windows Mobile, I found out that it cost me a minimum of $31.05 for each month, and then after I put all the information for CUDA Mobile, it appears that it cost me for the minimum of $38.15, and the two zeros signifies the overage of data and local calling, which I don't really need to pay. And the Bell for the Bell Mobile for the Bell network, it cost me a minimum of $67.8, and the zero signifies the overage of data that I don't really need to pay. And Rogers Mobile, it cost me $74.2, and the zero in the middle signifies the data that I don't really need to pay, overage data. And Wind Mobile is now currently the cheapest plan for myself, and thank you for watching.